In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your camera does not detect the lens. First, you need to check that the lens is attached correctly. The lens might have a poor connection between the signal contacts of the camera and the lens, so you have to turn off the camera and twist and remove it. And you have to make sure the white mounting marks on the camera are aligned. You have to check for dirt on the camera and lens signal contacts. Check whether the camera detects other lenses. If you have another lens, try attaching them and see if it's detected by the camera. Check the golden colored contacts, see if they are damaged or stuck. If that seems to be your issue, you can get it repaired at a Nikon service center. So, thanks for watching, and hopefully, this helped you out.